The police allowed to do that, to trick, to lie, to do their job, but it bothers me because he did take it so far.
Yeah, that becomes the question as you're listening to it. You feel like, should they be allowed to do this and go this far? But of course, yes, by law, they can do that, Mike. And I think the big thing here is not so much the words that she's saying, because I'll be honest, she's kind of convincing in saying, look, I don't know, except when you look at it in this context. If somebody gave me a piece of paper or called me, first thing I'm doing, Mike, is I'm calling Big Case Mike.
Yeah.
And I'm retaining Big Case Mike. And then I'm calling the police. Then I'm calling the police. She doesn't do that. I think that's really the point here that's being made by prosecutors.
That's a big point. I'm glad you brought that up because, yeah, I should have thought of it by myself, which is why didn't she call a lawyer? She should have called a lawyer. They had lawyers on retainer. She owned a dental clinic. She should have called a lawyer. That does show some sign of culpability, but she was a wily, very convincing woman. So I think this call might have done her good. I'm just shocked that the prosecution brought it into their case. I could think they had to bring it into their case, but she did not call a lawyer. She did not call police. That cuts against her, but she made no admissions on that call.